Hi, it is USB-C docking station dual HDMI monitor, USB-C to dual HDMI adapter with 2 HDMI ports, PD charging, SDTF, USB-A and C 3.0 ports, USB-C hub HDMI for Dell XPS, HP, Lenovo, Surface and Yoga. Transform your laptop with this latest upgrade sale or 8-in-1 dual monitor hub featuring dual 4K 60Hz HDMI ports, a 100W PD charging port, a USB-C port up to 5 gigabits per second, 2 USB 3.0 ports up to 5 gigabits per second and TF SD card slot up to 104 megabits per second. Versatile and all-in-one HDMI adapter for dual monitors, suitable for home and office use for effective work. With our advanced intelligent technology, the 2 HDMI to USB-C adapter provides temperature control and stable performance. Boost productivity with our USB-C dual HDMI supporting SSD or MSD mode for extending 2 monitors simultaneously. Note: only mirror mode, identical screens of external monitors, is supported on macOS system. Speedy charging 100W. This dual HDMI adapter for 2 monitors with a USB-C power delivery port can charge your laptop anytime. HDMI hub for multiple monitors, input 100W, output 87W. Please note, power adapter is not included in the package. 1x USB-C 3.0 and 2x USB-A 3.0 port not only allows you quick transfer of data with a speed up to 5 Gbps but also supports to connect to peripheral devices such as mouse, keyboards. USB-C to SDTF card reader, speed up to 104 MBs, allows you to easily browse and copy photos and videos from your cameras, and quickly share your beautiful moments. Our plug-and-play docking station with 2 HDMI ports is compatible with a wide range of USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 laptops, including MacBook Pro Air, Dell XPS 13, 15, 17, Lenovo Yoga 720, 910, 920, 930, Surface 7, 8, 9, Samsung Galaxy S9, S9 Plus, and more, ideal for home and office use, maximizing productivity and efficiency. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.